Welcome back guys on another YouTube video. In today's video I'm gonna be talking about the importance of forex trading to an individual. Now remember, forex trading, we take it as a business. So in order to be participating in a particular business, you find a way of how you're benefiting from it. So today we're gonna be speaking about the importances of forex trading to an individual. So don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, plus sharing this video because we are still sharing a lot of content. So subscribe in order to be notified whenever we upload a new video like this. Okay, now for the brokers we use, don't forget to hit the link in the description. Sign up with our broker in Forex Capital. So it's the best broker, right? So hit the link in the description and sign up with Forex Capital and start trading forex. Now without wasting time, when you come back to our notes here, we see our first point is saying that if you're an individual and you want to focus on forex trading, that means there is what they call regular income. Whenever you open up your laptop to trade, you have the skill, you have the gadgets, you have a little capital. That means you will be able to make money per day. That's what they call regular income. Why? Because this industry, like I told you before in the previous videos, this industry is the largest industry which is invested in money. So the ability of you making money per day is on a high rate. So if you are to focus on forex trading, that means you'll be making regular income, whereby per day you'll be making some little bit amount of money depending on the capital you are using. Now the second point is increased knowledge on the world's economies and politics. Now what does this mean? Now increased knowledge on the world's economies and politics. And this point talks about basically fundamentals. Now as a forex trader, it's well known that we also focus more on the fundamental analysis because it also pushes the forex market, or it also participates in the volatility in the market. So now in order to trade a particular currency, you must take note about the fundamentals, which are the news which are going to be released on that particular currency depending on the economy. Let me say, if you are to focus on GBP/USD, that means you have to take note or read about the notes, which is the news talking about the GBP/USD. Is there any positive news, or is there any medium news, or there are no news? For you not to be affected by the forex market when you are placed your trade. So you have to be monitoring the fundamental news in order to be updated on whatever thing you are doing. Okay, so our third bullet is personal development. Now remember, due to this business of forex trading, it's basically done on the internet. Now you as a person, the research we do, the things we do, sort of like software, ABCD, these things, they help us, we as people, to keep on making a lot of research. Now you find you as a person, you are highly updated about many things which are happening in this world, because remember, this business is basically done on the internet. So in the internet is where we come across about so many things: news, software, applications. So you keeping yourself updated, it also helps you to be like, you know where you're going. Now personal development is also a key or is also one of the importance we get from forex trading as an individual, because we traders, we always highly updated about what's the situation going around the world. Okay, I think we're together. Now the third, I think this is our fourth point, low cost of operations. Now what does this mean? Remember, when you are participating in trading, you'll find low cost of operations. If you are to be charged, which is the commission which is being charged by you by the broker, it cannot even exceed, depending on how much money or lot size you are trading. You'll find if you are being charged of, let me say $1 per trade, and let me say you have 4 trades or 2 trades, but if you have a capital of, let me say $1,000. Now this commission which is being charged from you by the broker of placing the trades in the market, that $1 cannot be so that too much money that you're being charged by the broker, because you might be charged $1 and you find you have running profits of $100 in that particular trade. So that means you cannot compare forex trading to other physical businesses, because other physical businesses you pay a lot of things. You have to pay revenue, you have to get capital, you have to get a place where you're going to run from your business, whereby you'll be paying rent. You have to get employees which will be helping you out in your particular business. So all those are costs. But when you focus on forex trading, you find the only cost you operate in this business is the commission or the spread. Those commissions which are being put by the broker for giving you a service provider for you to trade. So those are low costs of operation. So that is very important. That is very important to we traders, that we find a little bit costs of operation when we are trading. Now another point is 24 hours market. Now this is a major point about all the points I've been talking about. Now 24 hours hour market, this means that now, like today is a Monday, the forex market works 24 hours, which means day and night, from Monday to Sunday to Friday, I mean. So that means you are capable to make money day and night, whether you are asleep or you are awake. So it's up to you. There are some traders which are day traders. You find he's making money during the day. He opens up his positions during the day, let me say in the morning at 7 a.m. and those positions run till in the evening. So that's what I'm trying to explain, that you can make money in the forex market 24 hours. And you find there are some people who are, let me say, swing traders, and you find he's holding up his trades from Monday to Friday, but you will find those trades will keep on running from Monday to Friday. Why? The forex market is always open day and night. And you'll find a trader who is trading the torture session, whereby he's trading late in the night when other people are sleeping. He opens up his laptop and start trading. So that is biggest importance to we traders, that you find you're going to be making money 24 hours a day. So other businesses, when you compare it to other businesses which are physical businesses, they just operate for just 12 hours and they are closed. Now for forex trading, you'll be making money 24 hours day and night. Okay, now the last point is low capital needed. This is the last point. Now here you'll find that to start trading, if you have the skill, you don't need a lot of money. You get it? When you start trading, you'll find now, like this broker we are using, or we have been using for over 4 years in Forex Capital, you'll find you will be able to deposit amount ranging from $5 to whatever amount you want to deposit. It can be $10 million, it can be $1 million, it can be $500 million. So when you get a business whereby you will be able to invest in $5, and those $5 you can trade in, by the end of the week, and you find your account has gone from $5 to $30. So that is the importance of forex trading. You'll find you don't need a lot of capital to make money. Even if you have $5, you can start up and trade, only if you have the knowledge. So if you have to, one way of growing your account, I think I'll make that in another video, is using someone's signals and trade your account while you are still making your own research or still reading those PDF or books. When you are still mastering your craft, you can use somebody's signals and you grow your account. So all the links will be down in the description. Hit our link in the Telegram and join our free Telegram channel, where we almost provide free signals, like 5 signals in a week, which are 80% correct. So hit the link in the description and join our free Telegram channel. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like and share this video, plus signing up with our regulated forex broker in Forex Capital. We meet again in another video, guys.